Whoa! Okay, wow. I like zoomed in somehow. Can I zoom out? Okay, I could zoom out with my mouse pad. And I'm not doing anything. Stop zooming! Stop it! Right there, right there. No, right there. Right, stop. No, stop. Stop zooming. I'm not doing anything! I promise! Ah! Okay, stop. 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 Now it's too far. Stop zooming. Stop zooming. Stop it! Stop it! Stop! And it's still going. It's still zooming. Stop zooming. I'm not. Where's my cursor? Okay. No, let's get it normal. Can we get it normal? Get it normal! Normal! Okay, right. 100%. And then we just no, stop. Stop doing weirdness, Krita. Stop doing weirdness. Stop it. Okay. Where did my cursor go? My cursor is gone. Okay. My cursor's gone! I gotta manually use my mouse pad. No! This is gonna take some getting used to. Okay. And zoom down. And it says 100, but it's large. It's enormous. Okay. Why is like the cursor so large? Why is like the bubble really large? But I'm loving this like pressure sensitivity. I just love it. I love it. That was an ugly I love it. Mi amor, I love it so much. It's okay, really ugly. Okay, now let's get some seriousness in here now, okay? We're going to make a new one. Alright, we got a new one. Is there like a back button? Like a back undo button? I'm gonna have to look at check that out on YouTube. Whoa, it's a warping tool! That's cool. Alright, that's really sweet. And it's still warping. Did it just warp for no reason? I'm addicted to, like, playing with this new stuff. What the heck? What the heck? Whoa! That's pretty fun. I could, like, this is, like, modern art or something. This is, like, ooh, I can play with this thing forever. What the heck is this? This is fun as all get out. Look at this. Look at this. What is this conglomeration I just made? That was fun. Okay. And then what's this thing? It's like the same thing as the other one, just lighter opacity. And then this is an eraser. That's not an eraser. Alright, it looks like, what is that? It's like a cool texture type until I could see something behind it. That's weird. Okay, what is that? Did I just... Is that supposed to signify that I, like, erased through my paper? Okay, this is like the... What the heck is this? Okay, whoa, whoa. I'm not even applying pressure. Stop, okay. Whoa, okay, no, stop. No, I like the red. No, I like what I was using. What? What happened?